Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch. First, confirm your smartphone meets the compatibility requirements for your specific smartwatch model. Next, fully charge both your smartwatch and smartphone. This ensures a smooth, uninterrupted setup process. Finally, download the dedicated companion application from your smartphone's App Store, as this app is essential for managing your device and its features. Now, let's begin the pairing. Power on your smartwatch and activate its Bluetooth discovery mode, making it visible to your phone. Then, open the companion application on your smartphone and look for the option to add a new device. Your smartwatch should appear in a list of nearby Bluetooth devices. Simply tap on its name to initiate the connection process. After selecting your device, a pairing code will appear on both your smartwatch and smartphone. Verify these codes match precisely before confirming the connection. Next, the application will request various permissions to integrate with your phone's functions, such as notifications and health data. Grant these as needed. Finally, take a few moments to personalize your watch faces, notification preferences, and health tracking settings to suit your lifestyle. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A simple restart of both your smartwatch and smartphone can often resolve minor connection glitches. If your watch isn't appearing, double-check your phone's Bluetooth settings to ensure it is enabled and discoverable. Also, always keep your smartwatch's software updated to its latest version for the best performance and security. Enjoy your new connected experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.